ourselves into a distant picture of ourselves where everything is going well and we are just, overcoming everything and we're thriving, everything is working together. If that's your definition of thrive, I want to challenge it just a little bit. That you have achieved everything. There's been that long, distant future idea of yourself. Everything you're in the most of the season that you're in. That's what I mean. You ever been in a situation where you saw yourself behaving and speaking, you just kept saying, be quiet, don't do that, and you see that train going down the track, you know it's about to wreck at any moment, but you just keep on going. Who's been there? You've been there, you're like, be quiet, don't behave that way. But we keep doing it. That's conscious. That is a conscious decision that we are making to let that train go off the track. I didn't want anyone to know in my life that I struggled with self-doubt, that I struggled with feeling like I was an imposter, that I struggled because I didn't think I was good enough, that I struggled and I didn't believe that I belonged, I didn't have a place, where did I fit in? That was really what was happening. And when I stand here and I see all the faces looking back at me, I'm just overwhelmed, just grateful to be able to see that you're here. And I know that, and I truly believe if you lean into this is going to be a moment and an opportunity for you to truly experience a breakthrough from self-sabotage.